So we've made it to the Unicorn pub, Wetherspoons, and we're on the 3rd floor. Becky and the girls are in room 202, which is sort of like on the 1st floor, and you turn a little corridor and go up another flight of stairs. So we'll just knock on the door. Room 303.
How are you doing?
Hello there, how are you doing?
I'm alright. Come in.
And here's the room, and the room is absolutely massive.
Big room, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's got a lovely old fireplace, because obviously it's an old building from the 18th century. Used to be a coaching inn. So we've got sockets on either side of the wall, which is good. A massive bed. And we're in the marketplace in Ripon. It's raining now, there's quite a few restaurants and things around. Lovely view of the market square. So we've got a wardrobe with an ironing board and a hairdryer. And a thing for the cases. Blankets, I think, David. Pillows, extra pillows. So we've got a fan because it's warm in here. Lovely big room though. Yeah, it's huge. So as I say, we've got lots of plug sockets on each side of the bed. So you've got your normal tea and coffee and hot chocolate, 2 waters. And what a lovely big mirror that is. Hi everybody, I'll hold my belly in. That's a television on the wall. And it's got another fancy mirror on here. Look at that, guys. It's very fancy. So we'll go into the bathroom now. We'll see what that's like. And this is a big bathroom as well. So you got your toilet and your sink, nice looking tiles, and you got a bath and a shower as well. So, and out this window you can see it's the beer garden at the back there. Just see the tables and chairs. Oh, you can hear the church bells as well. That's a little alcove there to put your stuff on. Very nice for a pub. There we go, so that's the room tour.
Wetherspoons.
Wetherspoons, the Unicorn. So in the morning before we go back to the car, I'll take pictures of the outside of the building as well. But downstairs is just your normal Wetherspoons pub. Yeah. Very nice little market square. You can just see, if I can zoom in here, part of the, I think that's part of the cathedral, I could be wrong. So there you have it. So we're going to get ourselves freshened up and then go down for some food and a couple of drinks and see what happens next. So Becky is doing the other room tour. They're in a family room. So we'll find out what that's like later.